everyone. So today I want to talk about a transformative approach that can revolutionize how we perceive and improve our business operations, an approach known as process intelligence. So we are all too familiar with the pressure of maximizing business productivity within tight budgets and schedules. So regardless of size, every organization relentlessly aims to make its operation as efficient as possible. So yet while executing various business processes, we generate a vast amount of data that often remains unutilized. So this is where process intelligence comes into play. So imagine having the ability to not only automate your processes, but to deeply understand and optimize them while systematically analyzing operational data. So process intelligence involves collecting, evaluating and acting on data throughout our business processes or operational workflow. So it gives us the power to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies that hinder our productivity and enabling us to make informed decisions about optimizing and streamlining our operations. So but how does process intelligence operate? So through advanced algorithms, it analyzes the life cycle of business operations from start to end. So take a customer order process for example. Each process steps from order placements to shipment. Its timestamp. So process intelligent tools use these timestamps to visualize map the entire workflow, allowing us to spot delays and inefficiencies immediately. So consider a scenario where the standard delivery time from order to shipment is supposed to be 24 hours, but the process takes 48 hours. So through process visualization, we might discover that the bottleneck is in the packaging stage. So armed with this insight, we have the basic to investigate further and rectify the issue, be it updating packaging, equipment or addressing a resource shortly. So thereby significantly enhancing our productivity and delivery times. So the advantage of employing process intelligence are multifold. It offers an in-depth process visualization, providing a real-time view of our operations and enabling us to identify and address inefficiencies quickly. So this reduces the time and effort required to track operations manually and lead to continuous operations improvement. So moreover, by leveraging process intelligence, businesses can achieve higher operational efficiency systematically. It empowers us to answer critical questions about our processes, such as the impact of specific tasks on our functions and whether the performance quality meets the expected standards or not. So in conclusion, the path to enhancing business productivity and operational efficiency unmistakably runs through intelligent management, integration and utilization of our processes. So through process intelligence, we hold the key to understand our operations better and optimize them in ways we never thought possible. It's an evolutionary platform that addresses current inefficiencies and paves the way for sustained improvement, ensuring that we are always at the forefront of operational excellence. So thank you for your attention. I look forward to explore process intelligence and unlocking new productivity levels for our organizations. Thank you very much.